1 kilometer, there will be traffic congestion.
Uy, why?
Because we're in Tokyo.
Nako. Ito na yung traffic congestion niya. Ito na niya. We're dead.
Why? Traffic?
Nag-red na oh. Ah, may red siya oh. Pero hindi naman lahat portion na. Dito maaga din.
This is the first portion of traffic. There's another portion ahead. 2 portions of traffic lang naman.
Ito, after
This is
the...
apparently a 10-minute delay.
What happened here?
I don't know.
We're approaching boundary of Greater Tokyo.
現在地周辺のおすすめスポットが見つかりました。タッチすることで詳細を確認できます。
30 minutes. Traffic in the expressway. What does it mean?
First time natin na-experience ng ganito. Hindi naman, ano, slow moving lang siya. So, galing naman na expectation ng kanila doon. Naglagay siya ng signage na malaki na. We're entering the red.
Parang may nabanggaan daw.
Tapos naglagay sila ng signage agad. Gano'n kay efficient naman itong mga hapon.
Yes.
Amin na Filipino yun yung kabangga.
Accident.
Pinoy na driver.
Sabi, may accident daw?
Nakalagay.
But how fast na naglagay ng signage noon? That was a kilometer.
Pwede naman self-reported.
Ha?
May signage?
Oh, nakalagay doon. Kaya nakalagay na ano to, red na ano to, curves. Mabilis yung